Hi, my name is Elizabeth Ciordia, and it's September 14th, 2024, and we are currently in week 2 of Biology 240 and Anatomy and Physiology 2. And we're discussing the blood groups and RH system this week. I printed this picture here. It has the different blood groups or blood types, and then it has this little key down here. So the yellow means there's A antigens present, the blue is B antigens are present, and the gray is the RH antigen is present. And it's kind of cool because it makes it easier to understand, because you can see what each blood type contains. So the blood groups consist of A, B, O blood typing. If you have A antigens on your erythrocyte membrane surface, then your blood type is A. And then people who have B antigens on the surface are blood type B. And then individuals who have both A and B antigens on the surface would be blood type AB. If you have neither A or B antigens on your erythrocyte membrane surface, then your blood type is O. Then we have the RH system, a blood group system that classifies blood groups based on the presence or absence of the RH antigen. RH can cause a response in a person who is negative for RH antigen. So if you give a person who is negative for RH antigen blood that contains RH antigen, their body's going to start to create antibodies against the RH antigen. So then when you, the second time you give the same blood with RH antigen to a person who is negative for it, it's going to trigger an immune response, and the body's going to start to attack those blood cells because of those RH antibodies that were created the first time. And the RH system is also what gives our blood types the positive or negative. For example, A positive means ABO group blood type A with the presence of RH antigen. So that little positive lets us know that RH antigen is present in this blood. And then I just wrote down the questions here because I didn't want to forget. So question 1 says, what blood type is the universal donor? An individual with a type O negative would be the universal donor. They do not contain A or B antigens, so anti-A or anti-B antibodies that may be present in that blood will not cause a reaction or immune response because they will not encounter any erythrocyte surface antigens. It's compatible with other blood types. A and B antigens are not on these red blood cells. And it's great for emergency situations because you can give it to anybody. And it's highly sought after. And then question 2 says, what blood type is the universal recipient? An individual with AB positive is a universal recipient. This individual can receive any blood type. They have both the A and B antigens on the surface, so they won't cause anti-A or anti-B antibodies and won't cause an immune response or attack. And then the next question says, what is your blood group? So when I did the little blood typing on myself, it came out that I had blood type A because I had agglutination in the anti-A field. So that's letting me know that my blood contains A antigens. And then the next question is, what is your RH? My RH is positive because I had agglutination in the anti-D field. So that's letting me know that I have the presence of RH antigen in my blood. So my blood type would be A positive because I have A antigens on my surface, and then I have that presence of RH antigen. So it would be A positive. Thank you.